Over time, every smartphone battery loses some of its original capacity. If you've noticed your Samsung phone draining faster than usual or taking longer to charge, it's a good idea to check its battery health. Samsung makes this easy with the Samsung Members app, which provides a quick battery diagnostic in just a few taps. Method 1. Check battery health using Samsung Members. Launch the Samsung Members app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If it isn't installed, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. On the app's home screen, find and tap Diagnostics. Depending on your device model and app version, you may need to scroll down to locate this option. Next, tap Phone Diagnostics to open Samsung's built-in device testing tools. From the list of available tests, select Battery Status. The app will automatically inspect your battery and display its current health. Check the results shown on the screen. Normal, your battery is healthy and working as expected. Weak, the battery has experienced wear and may not hold a charge as efficiently. Bad, the battery has significantly degraded and should be replaced to restore optimal performance. If the result shows weak or bad, you may notice reduced battery life during daily use. In that case, consider replacing the battery through an authorized Samsung service center. Keeping your phone updated and using Samsung's battery protection features can also help maintain battery performance over time. That's all there is to it. With the Samsung Members app, checking your Samsung phone's battery health only takes a minute, making it easy to monitor your battery's condition and know when it may be time for a replacement.